Hello, welcome to the 2JZ channel. In this video, we'll be unboxing the FIGS engineering heat shield for the 2JZ. The package came in perfect condition. This is a 24 by 12 inch box, and the package weighs about 3 pounds. My Made in Japan oak utility knife to open the box. Very well packaged. It's an Ran pack, foam, and bubble wrap. And here is the heat shield. Here is the FIGS engineering heat shield. Very nice. Very thick 5052 aluminum material. And up front, this is the FIGS engineering logo. With this design, it will help create airflow. The air from the radiator will come and help cool and help prevent the heat soak. So this is a very good heat management system, and it also comes with a head bolt that mounts onto the aluminum head. Here's the mounting points, and here's the rear mounting point. FIGS Engineering has two available options for the heat shield. The first option will be bare aluminum, and my configuration is the second option, which is the ceramic coating. And this is the glacier black finish. So with the ceramic coating, it actually helps to reduce the thermal temperature even greater, and it also adds a protective finish for the aluminum. Here's the open air design. So as the radiator fan blows, it will help to cool and prevent heat soak. Let's take a look at the underside of the FIGS engineering heat shield. Very high quality thick aluminum material, and as you can see, it's also coated with the ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is very well known for the automotive, firearms, marine, aerospace industry. They use this coating for the barrels of the firearms, and for the automotive industry, they use it for exhaust headers and manifolds. Helps keep cool. And the texture and finish of the Cerakote is very nice and smooth. Very durable finish. Scratch resistant, rust resistant, and heat resistant.